sorry this is really late, guys, but I just wanted to inform you guys that yesterday why there was no PSN or Xbox Live is because there's this group called Lizard Squad, and you probably heard about them. They're like a really big hacker group. Some of them have been arrested for hacking and other threats and everything, but they took down PSN and Xbox Live to just prove a point to anybody else that wants to beef with them. And the only ones that are really beefing with them are like the Finest Squad. Yeah, the Finest Squad. Those are the only ones that are beefing with them, because the Finest Squad is a good hacker group, and then the Lizard Squad is just trying to take down Xbox Live and PSN, and they just want to do chaotic things. But the Finest Squad is trying to get them offline, and they're trying to get everyone on their group to be DDoSed. And I just wanted to inform you guys about that. So if you were having trouble, it was like near midnight where there would be the PSN up in Xbox Live. But today should be fine, going smoothly, unless the Lizard Squad tries to do something else again. And they did ruin Christmas for some gamers, but you shouldn't worry. So that's just my video, guys. See you guys later, and I'll do more videos again. Peace, guys.